Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I trust everyone is doing alright. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful braided hairstyle. Please keep watching, and to my subscribers, I say a very big thanks to you all for your massive love and support. I really appreciate it. And please, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. So right now I'm parting my hair starting from the back, and I'll be holding each section tightly with rubber band, but not so tight to hurt. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and show you a few more on how I part and hold with rubber band. I'm done parting the hair right now, and this is what it looks like. The lines are clean and we're good to start braiding. Okay guys, I'm going to be using this braiding hair I got from Amazon for £20. It's called Living Hair. And they have this crochet pin in it, and this is what it looks like. So it's 8 like this in a pack, and it's so full. So this is what it looks like, one of it. And this is the already twisted one I'm going to be using for my little design. So the good thing is that it's hot water friendly, and this is the sample of the ones already done. Right now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I achieve this style. So I put the crochet pin right under the rubber band and attach the braiding hair and pull half through, just the way I'm doing here guys. I'm going to do this twice. You can do once if you want, but the crochet pin, the hook is just not big enough to hold the whole braiding hair at once, so I'm doing twice. And I will grab my hair and pull to make tighter, then I start to braid. And I'll grab the already twisted hair and attach it just like this. So I put it on top of my hair just to avoid any disturbance. Braid a little bit and I'll bring the other half out. And still put on top of my hair, and then I'll continue to braid. If you want to see a video of how I achieve that coily twist, let me know in the comment section so I can make a video and show you how to do it. So guys, this is what it looks like. It has a pencil mat and I twist the ends of the hair as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a few more. guys, I used just 6 out of the 8 in the pack to make this hair, and I have 2 remaining. So what I'm doing now is getting the coily bits out of the way so that it doesn't enter inside hot water, because if it does, it will go back to straight, which is not our aim. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I thank you so much for watching till this very end. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Give the video a huge thumbs up, guys, and share if you can. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Do have a lovely day. Bye.